Aw, more babies. This week, Chris discovers spy jazz.
Yeah, it was just a little bit wet outside. Yeah, we kind of got caught in it just a little bit. This is the Grand Ballroom at the RV resort that we're staying at. They're still pretty much all decorated up for the 4th of July. But you know what? It's still fun and it's nice. Yeah, one cloud. Well, there's a bunch of them, but one big one's kind of working its way over us right now. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about is something that happens with YouTube. Occasionally you'll be surfing, you'll see something you like, you click on it, and all of a sudden you get a bunch more of those in your feed.
The monsoons are here, and my two men get soaked. Wow, my two little boys.
Yeah, it was just a little bit wet outside. He's wiping himself off. Oh my goodness. This is Arizona? Oh my gosh. I know that to most of you folks, this isn't really anything. But to the desert, this is just amazing. Yeah, we kind of got caught in it just a little bit. But you know what? It's nice. Now big boy, it is nice. Can you believe it? This is what Arizona calls its monsoons. We've had wet weather for the last 3 weeks. It's beautiful, but we're definitely not accustomed to this.
Folks are getting serious about the desert storms and dark skies every day.
This is the Grand Ballroom at the RV resort that we're staying at. They're still pretty much all decorated up for the 4th of July. But you know what? It's still fun and it's nice. It's a thing that goes on here when nothing else is happening, is walks. My mom used to do it before she died. Even my dad, the two of them would get together, they'd go to a mall where it was nice and cool inside, and they would walk around the perimeter to get their exercise in. There are a lot of people here in the parks that tend to be older, like me, that this is a great way to do it. It's nicely air conditioned in here, it's comfortable, and they can get their walk on and their exercise, and it's still beautiful inside this place. So, yeah, RV parks have some really cool amenities, and you can have some great times here. This is the Monte Vista RV Resort, and this was their USA 250th birthday party that they had. So pretty cool.
Insiders, are you guys getting any monsoon weather? And where are you?
Yeah, one cloud. Well, there's a bunch of them, but one big one's kind of working its way over us right now. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about is something that happens with YouTube. Occasionally you'll be surfing, you'll see something you like, you click on it, and all of a sudden you get a bunch more of those in your feed. You're sitting around talking and your phone's nearby saying you're interested in something, and that shows up in your feed. We all know what it is. Google's listening. But one of the things that was really interesting is I need to give a little background. When I was younger, I used to like watching the Casablanca.
He's looking at you, kid.
And a lot of the different shows that did spy type stuff. I mean, I loved I Spy with Robert Culp and Bill Cosby back then. Wanted to be a tennis star and go around the world being a spy. As I got older, my dad started telling me what war was like, and I realized real quick that wasn't what I wanted to do. But the shows I loved. I watched different shows like the Avengers with Emma Peel and John Steed. Back before the Super Channel stuff started going, or the superhero thing started going, I really enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun and got a big kick out of sorry, out of watching those different shows. And then James Bond came along and I was hooked again. And it was the music that was really pretty special. It was kind of a jazz influence sort of beat that was really cool. And over time, more of that genre started to develop. Well, not long ago, I was watching in my feed and something came up called spy jazz. And I thought, what is this? So out of curiosity, I clicked on it. And one of the channels that is developing this music, it seems to be all AI type music, but people that are really working on it hard, was called Cine Mood. I'll leave a link to it up here, and so you can take a listen to it yourself. It was really pretty cool. It took the themes, the beats, and the melodies of these different songs and it pieced them together into something called spy jazz. There are some channels that are called spy jazz, some that are called like Cine Mood and some of the others, and they're amazing. The songs are just fantastic. So Cine Mood has kind of been my go-to, and I left a comment on their channel that said, hey, it's our go-to now. And I got the greatest little comment back from whoever created Cine Mood. It said that they've checked out our channel, they really like it, and that they really wanted to get into RVing. And they said, but they're in Europe and it's really difficult for them because they don't have the infrastructure that we have here in the US. And the comment they left was really great, really nice. So if you get a chance, take a listen to their channel, see what you think about it. If you have any inkling of doing this like we have, you'll find it really relaxing. We use it as background music right now, and Shelley and I both like it, and it helps us pass the time while I'm editing and doing other things, and then while I'm driving, it's really great to have it playing. So take a listen to it, leave a comment for Cine Mood, and tell them that OLT sent you, and give them a little cheer up and say, hey, come to the United States and give it a try here. You might really like it. We've had a good time with it. I hope you guys have some fun listening to it. And if you like the music that we use here on OLT in our videos, you can go to Spotify and listen to it there. And Cine Mood and Spy Jazz is all over Spotify. So that's a fun way to listen as well. So thank you guys very much for listening to my rant and my talks, and we'll catch you later. Bye now.
It's getting pretty wild here.
Wow, beautiful morning.